Hello everyone, we are the Week 2 group reporters, and in this video, we will discuss about the visual language, the element of art. What are the element of art? The element of art are the visual building blocks that artists use to create a compositions, like words in a language. These elements are combined to convey ideas and emotions. These are the 7 basic elements of arts: line, shape, form, space, color, value, and last, texture. At first, we have line, a mark with greater length than width. Lines can be straight, curved, thick, thin, continuous, or broken, and are used to define shapes, create textures, and suggest movements. Example: contour, drawing, sketch outlines, hatching. These are the examples of line art.
Shapes. A two-dimensional enclosed area. Shapes are flat and can be geometric, like square and circles, or organic, irregular, or free-formal. Shape in art. A shape is a two-dimensional enclosed area. Shapes are flat and can be geometric, like squares and circles. For example, a painting primarily using triangles, squares, and circles to form an abstract composition. Organic, irregular, or free form. For example, a drawing of a flowing river with undefined edges. Shapes are used to create structure, create pattern, create recognizable objects. Form. Form refers to a three-dimensional object or the illusion of three dimensions. Form have height, width, depth. Forms can be actual sculpture, for example, a marble statue of a human figure, implied in drawings or paintings. For example, a painting that uses shading and perspective to make objects appear three-dimensional. Forms are used to add depth, realism, structure. Space, the area around, between, or within objects. Space can be positive, the subject, or negative, the background, and can create the illusion of depth or perspective in a work.
Color. The elements of art derive from reflective light. Color has 3 properties. Hue, the name of the color, value, lightness or darkness, and intensity, brightness or dullness. It is used to evoke emotion, create mood, or highlight. In several days, we have the 3 primary colors, which is red, yellow, and blue. This color is, by mixing of this, we can create a secondary color. For example, mixing of red and yellow, we can create orange. Mixing of yellow plus blue is equals to green. Mixing of blue and red, we can create violet, and etc. Value: the lightness or darkness of a color or tone. Value helps create depth and contrast in artwork, often used to emphasize or de-emphasize element. Use, it is used to create highlights, shadows, and focal points. This is the illustration from lightness to darkness. Value is open to visualize on a scale ranging from white to dark. For example, of white, we have white, highlight, light, and low light. And for dark, we have high dark, dark, low dark, and black. Texture: the way a surface feels or looks like it would feel. Texture can be actual. Example of actual is sculpture, paintings, mixed media, ceramics, and textiles. Or implied. An implied example is a drawing or painting, photography, digital art, abstract textures, visual textures, such as paintings that looks like it has a rough surface. It is used to add interest, realism, or expression. Example of this realism or a famous artwork or drawing is a Mona Lisa by Leonardo da Vinci, a Starry Nights by Vincent van, a Girl with a Pearl Earrings by Johannes Vermeers, and a Lichat or The Cat by Alberto Giacometti. The techniques to creating implied texture is shading, hatching the cross hatching, steeping, brushstroke, and varying line, width, and pressure.
How the elements work together. Artists combine elements to build composition and meaning. Example: line plus shape equals form, texture plus color is equal to emotion, and value plus shape is equals to depth. Let's analyze artwork. The Last Supper by Leonardo da Vinci. The element of art that used in here are lines. Da Vinci used linear perspective brilliantly. All the orthogonal lines in the architecture point directly to Jesus at the center, guiding the viewer's eye and establishing him as the focal point. Then shape. The composition uses geometric shape to organize figures. Notice the triangular shape formed by Jesus' body, symbolizing balance and Holy Trinity. Color. The color palette is fairly muted and realistic. He used contrast, light versus dark, to create depth and to separate the disciples from the background. Then texture. Although it's a mural, Da Vinci used visual texture by carefully painting folds in clothing and fine facial details to make the lifelike. Space. He created deep space using one-point perspective, making the room appear three-dimensional. The placement of figures in group also gives a sense of spatial organization. And then, The Starry Night by Vincent van Gogh. The element of arts used in here are lines. Van Gogh's swirling, curved line in the sky create a sense of motion and emotion intensity. The bold, dynamic brush strokes are a hallmark of his expressive style. Then color. He used contrasting colors. The yellow stars against the blue night sky to create visual interest and mood. The colors are emotionally driven rather than realistic. And then shape. He simplified forms into bold, expressive shapes. The cypress tree, moon, and stars are all stylized, not realistic, emphasizing emotion impact over accuracy. Then texture. Thick impasto paint give the surface a rich texture. The brush strokes are clearly visible, creating a tactile quality that adds to the intensity of the scene. Space. Van Gogh created depth by overlapping elements. The cypress tree in the foreground, village in the middle ground, and sky in the background. Through his perspective is more expressive than realistic. Conclusion. The elements of art are tools, like a visual alphabet. Mastering them allow you to create, analyze, and understand art deeply. And that's all for our report. Thank you.